Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will predict the next candle without any indicator. So let's begin. As of now, you all can see this is a UTC pair, and on the left side we are seeing a momentum. In this market we are seeing here to here a momentum and here to here also a momentum, right? So here we are seeing a strong bearish candle, and we have to know is there any levels or not, right? As you can see, there is a level. As you can see, there is a level. This whole area is a level. Okay, this whole area is a level, and in this momentum we are seeing a buyers, right? Buyers, and the strong candle broke this reversal point. There is no rejection, but if you observe, this is a level and this is a Marubozu candle too, right? And this is a breakout, right? So in that kind of situation, it's better to place here a higher option, but with some marginal of safety and confirmation. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, you can see a buyer's entry. Why a buyer's entry? Again I explain, this is a level. As you can see, this is a level, a reversal point in the market, and in this momentum from here to here, in this momentum you can see buyers are entering, means that sellers are weak, that's why buyers are entering in this market and at the level. So finally market is now at the level, so at the levels buyers will definitely enter. And you can see the previous candle, this is a very strong candle up, and the previous all candles are not as strong as this one, that's why you can see a buyer's entry. And this is a Marubozu candle too. So you can see a buyer's entry. So what will be the next candle? Here you can see a momentum and this is not a trend reversal point, and here we can see a rejection from the above. But if you observe, buyers are also enter from here directly. So in that kind of situation, because of this momentum and because of this rejection and the trend also down, because of this reason there may be a red candle. But from this level it entered directly, buyers are entered, and buyers are directly entered, and buyers are also strong. And so in that kind of situation, better to wait for the next candle, right? And there is a level also. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. As you can see, we are seeing a red candle, right? We are seeing a red candle, and I already told you this is not a reversal point. This is not a trend reversal. This is just a reversal point. So, and finally sellers are again enter, right? Sellers are again enter, and there is a rejection from above. This candle confirms us that sellers will again enter, right? So next candle will be sellers candle. If it's a trend reversal area, then we can expect again a green candle. But this is just a reversal point, so here we can expect a red candle again, means bearish candle. As you can see, we are again seeing a bearish candle, but this is also a weak bearish candle, right? This is not a strong bearish candle, this is also a bearish candle, and there is a rejection from buyers too. So in that kind of situation, and it's at the level, so it's unable to break that level. So in that kind of situation, better to wait for the next candle. Okay, finally market broke that level very strongly, right? And the next buyer's entry is here. From here we are seeing a buyer's entry, or you can see here, but there is a no rejection, right? And market broke that level very strongly, and this is the downtrend, and this is the momentum too. So here we also can expect a seller's entry. Okay, seller's entry, but we are seeing a buyer's entry. So why buyer's entry? Because I think it's a breakout candle, and this is a level 2, and it's rejected, and buyer's entry, no problem. Losses are coming, but try to, in that kind of situation, try to place here a lower option only. So here as you can see, this is also a reversal point. This is not a trend reversal too, right? So but there is no rejection from the above. There is a no rejection from the above. It means buyers also can try, but here if you observe in this downtrend, we are seeing a single wires, again single wires. Here we also can expect a seller's entry, but there is no upper wicks and it's from a reversal point. That's why place there a lower option, but with some marginal safety, right? Let's see. As you can see, as I told you, from this level it entered, and there is no, from this level this candle is formed, and there is no rejection from above. So that's why I already told you that place a trade with some marginal safety, and you can see if you place some marginal safety, it will be a ITM or be a ATM, right? So here also you can see, let me draw the level here. This is also a level here, and market now close exactly at this level, and there is a rejection too, means sellers will definitely enter, right? As you can see, sellers again enter very strongly. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.